When navigating the maze of choosing a new home, it's crucial to compare the offerings of leading builders in the market. D.R. Horton and Roush Colman Homes are two names that often come up in discussions among prospective homeowners. Both companies have made significant marks on the American housing landscape, yet they cater to different niches and preferences. This video aims to dissect the characteristics, market presence, product offerings, customer service, and sustainability efforts of both builders. Ultimately, I'll explain why D.R. Horton stands out as a superior choice for a broad range of home buyers, including myself. So first off, as far as the companies goes, D.R. Horton was founded in 1978. D.R. Horton has grown to become the largest home builder in the United States, known for its wide range of high-quality homes suitable for every stage of life. Their motto, America's Builder, reflects a commitment to diversity, innovation, and excellence in construction and customer service. Roush Colman Homes was established in 1955. Roush Colman Homes focuses on providing affordable quality homes primarily for first-time buyers. As one of the top builders in the United States, they pride themselves in creating opportunities for home ownership in key regions with an emphasis on value and community. As far as market presence and geographic reach goes, D.R. Horton has an expansive presence operating in dozens of states and numerous markets across the country. This wide reach allows them to cater to a diverse array of home buyers, literally from West Coast to East Coast. Roush Colman's Homes operates in a select number of states, focusing on the central and southern regions of the U.S. Their targeted approach enables them to specialize in the communities they serve, offering tailored solutions to first-time home buyers. Now, as far as product offerings and customization goes, D.R. Horton offers a vast selection of home types, including single-family homes, townhomes, condos, and catering to a wide spectrum of buyer needs. Their homes come in various styles and sizes with numerous customization options, allowing buyers to personalize their living spaces. Roush Colman Homes focus on affordability, providing a range of home designs that are optimized for cost effectiveness and efficiency. While customization options may be more limited compared to D.R. Horton, they strive to meet the essential needs of their target market. Now, in relation to customer service and satisfaction, D.R. Horton is renowned for its commitment to customer satisfaction, providing comprehensive warranty programs and responsive customer service. Their approach ensures a smooth and supportive home buying and ownership experience. Compared to Roush Colman Homes, they also place a high value on customer service, offering guidance and support to first-time home buyers throughout the purchasing process. Their dedication to building relationships with buyers is evident in their community-focused initiatives. Now, in relation to sustainability and energy efficiency, D.R. Horton has implemented energy-efficient building practices and materials across their projects, aiming to reduce environmental impact and save homeowners monies. Roush Colman Homes incorporates energy-saving features into their homes as well, although their focus is more on affordability and accessibility for first-time home buyers. Now, while both D.R. Horton and Roush Colman Homes offer compelling reasons for consideration, D.R. Horton, I think, is the superior choice for a wider range of home buyers. Their extensive market presence, diverse home offerings, customization options, and unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction and sustainability make them my top pick. Whether you're a first-time buyer seeking to upgrade or looking for luxury, D.R. Horton provides a comprehensive package that is hard to beat. For those prioritizing quality choice and a builder with a proven track record of success and homeowner satisfaction, D.R. Horton is my clear frontrunner in the quest for the perfect home.